When you're feeling run down, sometimes the most powerful remedies aren't found in a medicine cabinet, but in your kitchen. Today, we're going to learn how to make a homemade antibiotic broth that's packed with traditional ingredients that have been used for centuries to boost your body's natural defenses. To make this recipe, you'll need garlic cloves, onions, fresh ginger, hot chili peppers or chili flakes, dried oregano, dried thyme, turmeric powder, black pepper, sea salt, and a fresh lemon. Peel your garlic bulb and separate it into cloves. For this recipe, you'll need 6 to 10 cloves of garlic. Use a large kitchen knife to crush each clove of garlic and then remove the peel from each individual clove. Once your garlic cloves are peeled, use the same kitchen knife to crush them and let them sit for about 10 minutes before cooking. This resting time activates beneficial compounds that form when the garlic is chopped or crushed. While the garlic cloves are resting, chop 1 to 2 large onions into small pieces. Even though the onion pieces will be removed at the end of the cooking time, you still want them to be small enough to release their juices into the broth. Next, peel a 2 to 4 inch piece of fresh ginger, then slice it into thin pieces. Like the onion, the smaller the better so the ginger can release its healing compounds into your broth. Add a splash of oil to a large pot or Dutch oven placed over medium heat. Then add the onions, garlic, and ginger and saute for several minutes until the mixture is fragrant and lightly golden. As they cook, your kitchen will smell incredible and you're building layers of flavor that will carry through the entire broth. Now pour in 8 cups or 2 liters of filtered water and give everything a good stir. To your broth base, add 1 whole dried chili pepper or a teaspoon of red dried chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of pink Himalayan salt or sea salt, 1 to 2 tablespoons of dried oregano, and 1 tablespoon of dried thyme. Give everything a good stir, then bring the broth to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it gently simmer for 45 minutes to an hour. This allows your flavors to meld together and creates a rich, deeply infused broth. Once your broth is finished, strain out the solids and then stir in the juice of 1 fresh lemon. Adding the lemon at the end helps preserve its healing properties and also its fresh flavor. The lemon gives this broth a healthy dose of vitamin C. When combined with garlic, onion, ginger, oregano, and thyme, you have one immune-boosting remedy. The warming spices like turmeric can also boost your circulation and give you comfort during various seasonal illnesses. Minerals, herbs, and nourishing broth all together will boost hydration, support scratchy throats, and give gentle nourishment when your appetite is low or your body needs extra support. If you're making this for the first time, start with a small amount to see how your body responds. Leftovers can be stored in the fridge for several days or frozen for later use.